then Nick's auntie helped him to be patient. Exactly. I know you understood it. So what do you think Nick should have done? What do you think Nick should have done? Nick should be patient next time, right? Exactly. So should Chisimdi. Chisimdi should always be patient. Yay! Give mommy high five. High five. High five for mommy. High five for mommy. You've learned something huge today. Let's go meet grandma. Yeah. Let's go meet grandma.